In today's video, we are reviewing Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 DJ controller. And the best part is the large touch jog wheels that make scratching feel super smooth and natural. I have provided the link to this DJ controller in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now, if you're a beginner who wants to start DJing the right way, or even an intermediate DJ who wants a solid controller without spending crazy money, this one is a really smart choice. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is a 2-deck USB DJ controller that works with Serato DJ and also comes with Just Included, so you can start mixing right out of the box. One of the biggest advantages is the built-in audio interface, which means you can connect your headphones and speakers easily and get clean sound without extra gear. You also get a hardware input mixer for audio inputs, which gives you more flexibility when you want to connect other sound sources. The layout is beginner-friendly, so everything feels easy to learn, but still has enough features to keep you improving. You get 16 backlit RGB pads, which are perfect for hot cues, loops, and performance tricks, and they look amazing while you play. The loop in and loop out buttons make it super simple to repeat parts of a track, build energy, and keep the crowd engaged. The filter and FX area helps you create smooth transitions between songs, so your mixes sound clean and professional even if you're still learning. And those large jog wheels with touch detection are a big deal because they help you scratch, nudge, and control your tracks with better accuracy. Another cool feature is the retractable and extendable feet, which lift up the controller and help protect it from spilled drinks, making it safer for house parties or small gigs. Overall, the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is perfect for beginners, bedroom DJs, and anyone who wants a reliable controller for practice, streaming, or performing. If you want a simple controller that feels professional, sounds great, and helps you learn faster, this is absolutely worth it. And remember, the link is waiting for you in the description below, so you can grab it at the best price today.